Besties, letting the filter pick out a fragrance combo. Fruity, absolutely. Okay, so we're picking out a fruity scent. So sweet. Okay, it's this combo is gonna be sweet and like fruity. So let's go. Okay, besties, and they said sweet and fruity. So for the fruity scent, we're gonna do groovy watermelon because it's like very like fruity. And the notes on here are juicy pink watermelon, sugar strawberry blossoms, and lime zest. And they said for the perfume combo, it gotta be perfumey. Now, I got a perfumey scent which is Born a Dreamer, and we are going to see how this combo smells. So let's get into it. Let's try. So we are going to spray the sweet note first. Groovy watermelon. We're going to spray right here. A Dreamer by Amelia, because this scent is like a very perfumey scent. Now let's do it. Whoa. Okay, filter. Okay, that's it. I can really get back to like loud and sweet fruity scent. But then you got like a calmer perfume. I could describe it as like it's like a very good scent. Like, okay, filter, but below girl. If y'all want to try this little perfume hack, any calm perfume and any sweet perfume, besties, until next time,